This video demonstrates how to pair and select sounds for the STI-3610 wireless motion activated chime. Plug in the receiver, remove the screw, insert the battery. To pair the two pieces, push the program button, push the pairing button, push the program button. Our two pieces now work together. To choose one of the 10 sounds, hold down this button for 5 to 10 seconds until you hear the receiver beep. Now push the same button to select a sound. Motion may also select the next sound. Once you find the sound you want, hold the button until the receiver beeps, about 5 to 10 seconds. Now replace the cover. Notice these notches. Line them up to the top of the sensor, snap it on, and replace the screw. The STI wireless motion activated chime is now ready to be mounted and used.